everyone, it's Melanie, and welcome back to Living Luxuriously for Less, where we celebrate, decorate, and enjoy everyday life for less. So for those of you guys who are absolutely loving my how to build and buy inventory for your event planning business series, I have another one for you on today. And the great thing about this series is that I'm not only going to be sharing tips and tricks with you guys who are event planners, but if you just enjoy celebrating in or around your home, in your ministry, or in any of those areas, like this video would be perfect for you. So first off, in the first video I shared with you guys, and I'll link that video so you can go back and watch it if you have not seen it. I just shared some online resources. This is mostly for your bulk event planning type things that you may need. I shared some amazing resources and tips in that video for you, and I also have links to my event planning toolkit down in the description box. So just scroll down and you'll see a plethora of information that you may need for your business. The second video, I went to Hobby Lobby and I just went shopping and sharing with you guys things that you could use if you are, more on the side of small scale entertaining, maybe for your home or your ministry, or just, if you like to entertain with your girlfriends or, some type of civic group. It would be perfect for that. And then also, if you are an event planner and you find yourself in a bind, which we do sometimes, if something breaks or if you're short something or something is missing or you forgot to pack something, it's great to know that Hobby Lobby has those gold beaded chargers or, those things that you can just run to the store and pick up really quickly. Not necessarily the best bang for your buck in terms of bulk items, but it's a great resource for emergency situations or for intimate event planning. So today I am going to take you guys to Ross, and I'll be sharing some more stores along the way, but we're going to go to Ross today. And the thing I like about this series is that I'm going to be sharing with you guys real life moments. Like, I haven't gone into the store. I have no clue what I'm going to find in the store. I don't even know if the stores are fully stocked. So I'm just going in the store and sharing with you guys different things that I see or find and how you could possibly use that in your event styling or in your entertaining or in your home decor. So I'm super stoked about the things we may or may not find today. So you guys stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so at the front of the store, the first thing that caught my eye were these small dessert pedestals. They were only $9.99 each. I thought these were super cute for desserts and things of that nature. On the bottom shelf, underneath that, were these lighted trees. They were 24 inches and they were the white magnolia. I love these, and I'll tell you guys why. Because these trees are really trending. The cherry blossom trees are really trending right now. And trust me when I tell you this price is a steal. They were only $14.99 each, and I think they last for like 6 hours. So if you were looking for a budget-friendly way to get that cherry blossom tree look for an inexpensive price, those are it. And then I also saw these beautiful, the longer rustic centerpieces. I love these table numbers, you guys. A lot of people look over the photo frames in the stores, but these are great for table numbers, for menus. They were only $5.99, and when you can get this many at one time, that is a definitely must-have. You can also use them for gifts for your bride and groom, but again, I think these are great for signs or table numbers or menu cards or, you name it. I also went around the corner and found these 4 feet tall lighted trees. They were also the same type of bloom. I thought these were really super cute. They were $34.99. They were 4 feet tall. They had 48 lights on them. They were battery operated as well. And again, like I said, the $34.99 was a steal. And to find 2 of these was great. You could use them at an entryway, coming into an event, on a table. The possibilities are limitless. Okay. They also had the peach magnolia trees as well, and they had several of them. of each one. So this was definitely enough to do an event with. When I went over to the stationery section, I saw this desk accessory set. This is great for your home or your office on the go. I love the gold scissors in here. At Home with Nikki definitely got me hooked on those gold scissors. And this entire kit was $12.99. And I thought that was a good deal. And then they also have other little like crafts and things throughout the store as well. I just thought these shampoo pane flukes were really cute, especially for a dessert table. So those were definitely something new. I love the white, and they were only $2.99 for 20 of those. So I thought those were really super cute for like a summer fling or some type of summer event. And the fact that it also included like the spoons and everything, I thought that was a good deal for just $2.99. So if you see those and you have something coming up like an ice cream social, that would be great. And so I don't know if you guys saw my last video. I'm actually filming on my patio. So I do an entire kind of tour of how I decorated it and cleaned it. I will link that video down below as well, or in a card here. But I just wanted to share with you guys what I meant by the pollen is not going anywhere. Oh my gosh, it is so dirty. And my nails are dirty too because I've been eating wings.
Look at
so
that pollen.
Anyway, the pollen is insane here in Alabama. So I'm not going to do another deep clean until I get ready to completely decorate it for the summertime. So yes. This pollen is so like super duper
anyway,
real.
I forgot to share
and then I forgot to share my wreath with you guys. I just added some pink flowers in there to kind of go with the softness of the back of the patio. If you remember, it was just all white last year. So that is what the patio looks like for now. I'll be sharing an update later.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I would love to know down in the comments below which item was your favorite. Like, I know for me, the trees blew me away. Those lighted trees, because they're really trending right now in the event planning industry, and they can be quite expensive. So those size trees for like $14.99, the 4-foot trees for $34.99, those are a steal, you guys. So if you can find them at your store, like my store had plenty, I would use maybe 4 of those or 6 of those, and then you know, decorate the other tables in another style. But I just love the fact that they did have enough to do the things that I could have, you know, that I would have wanted to do with it. So I was super stoked about that. I think that was my find of the day. Even though I didn't buy those, I'm really going through my inventory and starting to scale down a lot of my inventory. Like if I had walked away with something, or if I had something coming up with that theme, I definitely would have purchased those. So yeah, that was my find of the day. So you guys let me know down in the comments what your find of the day was. I cannot wait to see what you guys thought was very interesting in today's kind of event planning shop with me. Next up is that I have a lot of exciting opportunities coming up with Luxe Academy. So be on the lookout on my website, melanieturner.design. Make sure your notification bell is turned on, because I am going to start back the in-person Luxe Academy classes in July. So I know for sure July 13th, and I believe July the 31st, and then we're going to do one in September and one in November. So you guys stay tuned for that, because I'm going to have small classes, and you know, vaccinations will be required. So just an FYI there. And for those of you guys who cannot travel to me, not to worry. Some amazing things are coming your way quicker than you will realize. Luxe Academy is going to launch online finally. So I'm super stoked about that as well. And then for those of you guys who are interested in how I store my inventory, how I keep my inventory, I got something super special in store for you guys as well. So stay tuned for that. So that is all I have for today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. And if you want to see more of this series, let me know down in the comments, like, where would you like for me to go next? I would love to see what you guys have to say. So I will see you guys at the next video. And until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers.